Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
I don't eat breakfast at 7. I didn't eat breakfast at 7. I won't eat breakfast at 7. I can't eat breakfast at 7. She doesn't study English every day. She didn't study English every day. She won't study English every day. She shouldn't study English every day. We don't go to the library. We didn't go to the library. We won't go to the library. We might not go to the library. He doesn't play the guitar. He didn't play the guitar. He won't play the guitar. He can't play the guitar. They don't cook dinner together. They didn't cook dinner together. They won't cook dinner together. They must not cook dinner together. You don't write clearly. You didn't write clearly. You won't write clearly. You shouldn't write clearly. I don't walk to school. I didn't walk to school. I won't walk to school. I might not walk to school. She doesn't drink coffee. She didn't drink coffee. She won't drink coffee. She must not drink coffee. We don't speak French. We didn't speak French. We won't speak French. We can't speak French. He doesn't watch TV at night. He didn't watch TV at night. He won't watch TV at night. He shouldn't watch TV at night. I don't read before bed. I didn't read before bed. I won't read before bed. I might not read before bed. You don't study hard. You didn't study hard. You won't study hard. You shouldn't study hard. She doesn't clean her room. She didn't clean her room. She won't clean her room. She can't clean her room. They don't travel by train. They didn't travel by train. They won't travel by train. They must not travel by train. He doesn't go to the gym. He didn't go to the gym. He won't go to the gym. He might not go to the gym. I don't cook lunch every day. I didn't cook lunch every day. I won't cook lunch every day. I can't cook lunch every day. We don't meet on Mondays. We didn't meet on Mondays. We won't meet on Mondays. We shouldn't meet on Mondays. She doesn't arrive early. She didn't arrive early. She won't arrive early. She must not arrive early. They don't work on weekends. They didn't work on weekends. They won't work on weekends. They might not work on weekends. You don't sleep late. You didn't sleep late. You won't sleep late. You shouldn't sleep late.